The scene opens with lively, upbeat music that sets a vibrant tone, complemented by a close-up of fresh ingredients neatly arranged on a kitchen counter. With an energetic voiceover, the scene invites viewers into the culinary adventure. Today, we're making two amazing low-calorie recipes that are perfect for your fitness goals. Let's get started. The first culinary delight is the chicken zucchini stir-fry. The camera cuts to the host slicing vegetables with precision and ease. First up, chicken zucchini stir-fry. Start by slicing one medium zucchini and one bell pepper. The voiceover instructs. The host then moves on to the chicken, handling it with expertise. Then slice 4 ounces of lean chicken breast. This is your main protein source, low in fat, high in protein. In a seamless transition, the host heats olive oil in a pan, preparing for the cooking process. With graceful movements, the host adds the sliced chicken to the shimmering oil. Heat 1 teaspoon of olive oil in a pan. Add the chicken and cook until golden brown. As the chicken turns a crispy golden, the vibrant zucchini and bell peppers join the sizzle. Once the chicken's cooked, toss in the zucchini and bell peppers. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes. The dish comes together with a drizzle of soy sauce and a sprinkle of garlic and ginger. Drizzle in 1 tablespoon soy sauce and add 1 teaspoon garlic and a pinch of ginger for extra flavor. Finally, the camera offers a mouth-watering close-up of the finished dish being plated. And there you have it, a delicious chicken zucchini stir-fry, only about 250 calories per serving. The scene transitions seamlessly to the next recipe, the cauliflower rice burrito bowl. The host starts by tenderly sautéing cauliflower rice in a pan. Next, we're making a cauliflower rice burrito bowl. Start by sautéing 1 cup of cauliflower rice in a pan until tender. A quick series of cuts showcase the preparation of the toppings, black beans, corn, and a handful of fresh diced tomatoes. While that's cooking, prepare your toppings, a 1/4 cup black beans, a 1/4 cup corn, and a handful of fresh diced tomatoes. With a sense of artistry, the host assembles the bowl, layering each component to perfection. Layer the cauliflower rice, black beans, corn, and tomatoes in a bowl. Finally, the host adds ripe avocado for richness and a squeeze of lime for zest. Top with diced avocado for healthy fats and squeeze half a lime over the bowl for some fresh zing. The host takes a bite, smiling as if to share the satisfaction with the viewers. This bowl is fresh, satisfying, and under 350 calories. For an added benefit, the host shares a bonus tip on how to enhance the fullness of low-calorie meals. Pro tip: load up on veggies to keep your meals filling without adding many calories. The more volume, the more satisfied you'll feel. Finally, the scene wraps up, showcasing the 2 completed dishes, ready to inspire viewers in their kitchen. Concluding with an upbeat tone, the voiceover encourages viewers to take these recipes to their own kitchens. 2 easy, low-calorie meals that'll keep you on track with your fitness goals. Try them out today.